Hey guys, what's up? So, please don't mind that really weird sound. It's just because it's literally like thunder and lightning. I'm pretty sure it's just thunder. I'm not sure if it's lightning or not. But oh, do you like my new necklace, guys? I actually got it a couple days ago. It's really pretty. I just wanted to see if you guys liked it or not. Comment down below if you like it though. Just say yes or no. So my door is locked, and good thing that I have keys. These are just my mom's keys, and this is the house key. So, yeah. But anyways, today I'm just going to be showing my slime box slash putty box, basically. So, I can't really, play this. I mean, I can, but, I can't. Let me do something. Hold a sec. I'm just doing this so I can play with my slime on the table. Sorry you guys can't see my face. I just want you guys to see, the slime from the bottom. So, the first thing that I had in my slime box was this. It's just a random squishy that I got for my birthday. And I wrote on the bottom, Frankie, that's my nickname. It says not licensed. I scribbled the license, but you can literally see the license still. So, yeah. But this is a soft and slow. So, it's a fake squishy, soft and slow. So, alright, so the first thing that is in my slime box is stuff to make slime. So, I got some food coloring. We got some baking soda. We got some baking soda water. We got some, what is this called? Oh, saline solution. We just have random bags that are wet. We got a broken stick. We got this bubble tool and a straw. And then the bowl to make slime. Alright, so the first thing that is slime. Nana, I just want to let you know that, okay? Yeah, I know, I have the keys. Right here.
Please don't make a mess. Okay?
Whoa.
I can't keep up with cleaning.
Okay.
And you have to double clean, so.
Alright, so, let's see. This is a smoothie pack. Well, a smoothie pack. It's Flarp. Legit Flarp. So, this one.
Cut this off when you're done.
Why? Why do I need that on?
So you can see.
I can see perfectly. That's just bright. It's just really bright. Alright, this one's called Banana Bluesia. I don't know why I called it Bluesia, but so this is a Flarp. It's like eggs, literally eggs. It feels exactly like scrambled eggs, and it smells like bananas, so I'm not even joking. If you guys come to my house and you smell these, hopefully I still have them if you ever do come to my house, but if you smell these, they actually smell what they look like. This one looks like lemon, but it's actually banana. So, yeah, let's see if it farts. Okay, so I guess this one doesn't fart. Oh, and it even has white in it. And look, all over my hands. So, it's kind of like Orbeez Crush, to be honest. Oh, and do not mind the background noise because of my Nana. She a little upset today. This next one is called Berry Blast, and this one smells like strawberries. And I'm not even joking. They smell what they look like, and it smells really good. So I'm pretty sure this one farts. This one farts the best. So yeah. feel like my angle is just really weird. It's fart. Yep, it farts. But it's really hard to get in, so that's why it farts. Because it's hard to get in. Oh my gosh. One time it took me like forever to get in. I'm not even joking. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like that. And hopefully it doesn't overflow. Alright, it didn't overflow because usually it does. Alright, this one is called Blueberry Vines. And this one smells like blueberries, but this one is the softest. Hi, Mama, where are you going? What are you doing?
I'm telling Rocco's friends that he'll be out in a couple minutes.
Wait, what? Hold on one sec. Now, my brother goes to his friend's house, but I don't. That's nice. And I even asked my mom to. So, that's nice. So yeah, this one is so soft. And this one farts pretty well. But this one is probably like the best one to get in, I think. Alright, so those are the smoothie packs. Alright. This next one is called Funfetti Ice Cream Cake, but it's just like really bad and really hard, and it also feels like dough. Feels like dough, like in a good way, but it's also really hard. So I don't know if it's a good way or a bad way. And all the flow beads get everywhere. Like, look, literally all the flow beads get everywhere. It smells really good, actually. It smells like birthday cake, and it smells really good. Alrighty, what should I do? I'm just going to do this one because it's bad. This one is called Confetti Blizzard, and it's pink. But it's really, really bad. And as you can see, it's really watery. And the flow beads also get up your hands. So, yeah. Good thing I have a towel right next to me. Ow. Ow. I can't. Literally. That was a struggle to get up. Alrighty. Let's do this one. This is a clear slime. It's like iceberg though. I tried to do an experiment and it worked. So I feel like the clear slimes are better at iceberg. Look it. It's like really good, but it also sticks back together really easily. So kind of. But it's exactly like iceberg. I like it. It's good. I like to keep it because it's really cool and it makes really cool sounds. Like one time it was like really sticky, and then it became like on the top it was like really hard, and it felt exactly like iceberg. When I poked it, it was like iceberg slime, and then I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should name this iceberg. Well, like iceberg slime, but it's called the Little Mermaid's Tail. Because when it like actually like clears up, it looks nice, but since it's probably never gonna clear up because it's iceberg slime, you know. I guess we can just do this one. This one's called flavored whipped cream, but it's grape flavored, and it's a fluffy slime, but it's really like different. It's kind of hard, but it's a fluffy slime. I like it, but wait. Did my brother even come out? Wait. Hold on a sec. I'll bring you guys with me, but ooh, there's glitter all over my hands. I just like don't want to leave you guys out here, but Mama, did Rocco even come out yet?
Yeah,
Cause they just left.
I know. I'm sure he's probably texting them.
Why did they leave?
I don't know, maybe they have to, they don't want to wait. I'm coming back.
Well, that was stupid. That was stupid. Why would anybody do that? Oh, if you guys are wondering where I got this from, I actually got it from my dad. And he was very nice. All right. So I like this fluffy slime actually. It's not, for some reason, I like playing with hard slimes because it's cool. Tomorrow, I'm just going to ask my mom if I can get some more glue so I can make some more slime and I can show you guys. So, yeah. And this smells really good. It smells like shaving cream, obviously, but you know what I really wish it would smell like? I wish it would smell like grape. But I can't believe that my florps, like I didn't add any scent to them. And when I got them, they just smelled like it. So I didn't do anything to it. It's just what it did. Alright, so let's do this one because this one's also hard. This one's called Aqua Breeze. And I did write on like the bags or like the containers, low battery, don't end. Please don't end. Phew! Oh my gosh, phew. I wonder if like it paused. I hope it didn't. Alright. But this one used to be a really nice butter slime, but it's hard. Next time I go to the store, I'm probably just going to go to CVS because that's like the best place to go. But next time I go, Bucko, your friends left.
Yeah.
Next time I go to the store, I'll probably just get Elmer's because I got glue all when I made this one. So
Alright, bye, Mom. I'll let you know what I'm doing.
I'm not
Bye, Jeff.
sure. Bye. I'm not sure what happened to this one.
Yeah.
Rocco, where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
Wouldn't tell you.
That's his friend. Maybe this one got hard because it was in a bag. I don't know. But I also made this one a couple days ago with glue all, and it's kind of hard. So maybe it's just because it's fluffy slime. Alrighty. Let's do these two because they're both clear slimes. So here's one clear slime, and it's like legitimate clear slime, but it has some bubbles in it. It does have some glitter in it too, but can't really see those. I don't know. Comment down below if you can. Oh yeah, you can kind of see them. But yeah, it's really nice. But the only thing that I wish it wasn't is small. I don't know what happened, but just became small. Alright, this next one is a pink clear slime, and yeah, and it also has glitter, and you can probably see the glitter in this one. I don't know, it kind of just looks like bubbles where I can see. Oh no, I can see it. But yeah, this one is nice, I guess. It pops really good. I have like 3 clear slimes, so. Actually, 4 because this next one that I'm showing, I'm like saving like my favorite slime for last. So yeah. Right. So I actually love this. It's called Dino Ooze, and the name is Green Apple Blood. I named it. See? And oh my gosh, this is a really nice clear putty. Mostly all the putties that I've gotten before, like legitimate putties, have like that are clear. And I just like have always wondered, but like Flarp is basically putty, but feels clear. Maybe it would have been better, but I absolutely love this one. It's so nice, and it has a great texture to it, and it feels exactly like a putty that you would buy at like Dollar Tree. And I'm pretty sure you can buy these at Dollar Tree. I don't know. I've never been to Dollar Tree before. I wish I have though, because I feel like everybody has been to Dollar Tree. Like even my mom has been to Dollar Tree. I haven't. So it's pretty. Oh. And it also comes with a dinosaur, and I got a pterodactyl. So, yeah, but it doesn't say pterodactyl. Literally, look. Focus, focus, focus. My phone never focuses. Like, literally, my phone never focuses. Alright, but it doesn't say pterodactyl on it, so it's pretty sad. It feels like the sun's about to come up, or it's just me. I don't know, but alright, this next one is called Thick Cotton Candy Ice Cream, and oh my gosh, I love this one. Ew, why is this one watery? It's soapy too. It smells like detergent. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, I really hope that my brother didn't add detergent to this. Because he did that to me once, and my slime... No! Oh my god, my brother did. Because one time he did it to my favorite slime, and I'm pretty sure he knows this is one of my favorite slimes, and it rips when he adds detergent to slime that I've already, like, used, like, with other types of detergent. Oh my gosh. This used to stretch like amazingly good. And now look at it. Like I'm trying to stretch it like how I used to stretch it, and it would stretch perfectly. Oh my gosh. I'm taking that slime that I gave him back, or I made him. And that was like the good slime that I've always had. And then I made this one because that was like my favorite slime. And I made it with my friend. Her name's Lauren. Make sure to make sure to link her. I will link her in the description. Oh my god, what am I saying? I will link Lauren in the description down below. Hopefully she has a YouTube channel. I never asked her that before, but I'm just going to link her anyways. And make sure to give her videos a like. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell for some notifications because, you know, she's like, oh, she did get hurt, but I'm not going to say because it's like pretty bad, and I'm just not going to say. Oh my god, this is my favorite slime, and I hate, oh my gosh, this won't even, oh my god, and I was just talking to him too earlier when he was leaving to see his friend Natalia. That is not fair at all. Literally, that is not fair. Like, are you kidding me? I can't wait to ruin his slime, and then I'm just going to make another one. So, yeah, he literally plays with the slime that I made him, like, 24/7. I wonder if he brought it. He's probably going to give it to Natalia. Oh, that is so not fair. Oh my gosh, but I also want to go to with my friends too. He just wants to go with Natalia because she's coming back because she was in Indiana. And she came back to West Bridgewater. Oh my God, are you kidding me? He did this to me one time. And oh, look at all the soap. Look. He did this to me one time and I had no clue like what happened, and then he told me right after I was playing with it, and I'm like, wow. Alright, well, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be making another video pretty soon, probably after this video. So yeah, I just have to ask first. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to stay tuned for the next one that I make. But it's not a part 2 of my slime collection, okay? This is just like, this is all I have. I'm not even joking. So, looks like there was a bug. Alright, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.